Hello, in this video I'm gonna show you how to change the resolution for RTX 4090. To do it, you need to right click on the desktop and go to NVIDIA control panel. Now go to change resolution under the display section, and here if you have multiple displays, you can select the display that you want to change the setting for, and now you can change the resolution from this list, and refresh rate can be changed here. You can also click on customize and create a custom resolution. This process is pretty intuitive, so I'm not gonna show you that because I don't really want to change my resolution now. And you can also change the desktop color depth in some cases. And that's all for today. Don't forget to like and subscribe. See you next time.